Inside Finance and Profit, you'll find the income and expense tracker. And before I jump in, I just want to quickly say that I'm not a finance professional or accountant. This is really about helping creative business owners keep track of their income and expenses in a way that feels much more approachable and manageable day to day. In the financial management section, you'll find the date where you can flip between months and years. You can see your income and expenses in a really visual way. To add either an income or an expense, click Add Transaction. And from the drop down, you can choose which type it is. You can add a quick description, and you can change the currency as well and add transaction. I think one of the biggest problems as creatives is that finances can just feel so overwhelming, so it becomes something we avoid, ignore, or promise ourselves that we'll sort out later. And usually that means forgotten expenses, spreadsheets we haven't updated in months, and just no real understanding of what's happening financially in the business. So the whole idea behind the finance tracker is to make money management feel less intimidating and more integrated into your actual workflow. And that is because it lives inside your business hub alongside your launches, tasks, goals, and content planning. Therefore, it becomes a part of your normal routine instead of this completely separate thing that you avoid opening. And visually, it's designed in a way that feels much simpler and easier to process than a huge spreadsheet full of formulas and tabs. So everything is automatically calculated for you at the top. You can also set recurring transactions just by clicking this button here, which is really useful for things like subscriptions, software costs, memberships, or repeat income streams that you don't want to manually re-enter every single month. That way, it's marked at the top, and as you navigate to the next month, you'll see it here too. There's also a search feature because once you've been using the tracker for a while, it makes it really easy to quickly find a specific payment, expense, or transaction without scrolling endlessly. Just start typing and it will appear like this. And even though the tracker is designed to feel visual and simple to use, you can still export your data whenever you need to hand things over to an accountant or keep your records elsewhere. Just click Export CSV file and all your transactions will be input into a table. Now, obviously, this is just an example, so it's a little bit sparse, but it's a great way to produce a spreadsheet in one simple click. So instead of your finances feeling disconnected from the rest of your business or something that you only think about when you absolutely have to, this makes it feel much more visible, manageable, and part of your actual workflow. In the next tutorial, we'll talk all about the product profit calculator, which can be an absolute game changer for your business.